It's a strength test on how to lift a person with only 2 fingers. To do that, first, fold your arms like this. Okay, make it strong and tight. Close your leg. Okay, now for the guys and girls, place your hands like this. Okay, put it under the hands. Okay, get a good grip on the knees. Alright, with a count of 3, you try to lift him up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll try again. Alright, this time, okay, use all your energy. Alright, we'll try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's impossible. How many kg are you, sir? About 80, yeah? Okay, now we're gonna need 4 pendants. I'll give 1 to each of you. Okay, now hold the pendant and roll it on your hand. Okay, clamp it together and make your fist like this. Okay, alright, now, sir, hold it tight. Get a good grip now. Get it back into your position. Okay, with a count of 3, we'll try to lift him up. Alright, ready? Concentrate. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put it down.